Now, the way the GPs within a firm interact with each other is also critically important in understanding the venture capital ecosystem. These arrangements are spelled out in a legal document that's often called the Equity Partners Agreement. Obviously, the Equity Partners Agreement is totally separate from the LPA. It's important to recognize that not all partners are created equal in most firms. Some partners may have an economic interest in a fund, but no governance rights. If a partner has no governance right, they cannot legally bind the fund to an investment or be involved in the hiring and firing of other partners. Within the same firm, there may also be partners with full economic and governance rights, while other partners will lie somewhere in between. If you're an entrepreneur, you'll probably not have access to the detailed contents of the Equity Partners Agreement. But being aware of it and asking some key questions politely will help you understand the decision-making process inside a firm. The Equity Partners Agreement also spells out the economics of the partnership. Specifically, how do profits from the carried interest get split? And different firms will have different models for sharing profits. Many of them include a consideration of the fund's performance and the longevity of the partner who's been with that firm. In most cases, each partner's share of the profits, while explicitly stated, will only vest over time. So if the partner leaves the firm before, they'll forfeit whatever carried interest that's accrued to them which hasn't vested. Part of the reason for having these vesting provisions is really to align the incentives of the partners to the life of the fund, which is usually around 10 years. Partners in VC funds are also exposed to legal risks, in part because of the decisions they may make pertaining to the fund, or by virtue of sitting on the boards of the portfolio investment companies. To incentivize people to take on the role of a partner in a VC fund, these partners can be indemnified from legal liability. This means they don't have to worry that their personal financial resources could be called upon to satisfy the financial liabilities of the fund itself.